A blessed day, everyone. Today, I just want to share a great realization that I had lately that I believe my fellow believers can actually relate to. So, being a Christian doesn't always feel like a bed of roses because there will always be a time when we are going to be challenged by different situations in life. And one thing I realize is that if you are a Christian and you wanted to be used by God greatly and mightily, you have to set aside your shyness and to step out of your comfort zones. And to be honest, I am a shy type person. There were lots of times when the Lord told me to do something, but I refused to do it because I am shy, such as doing the opening prayer, or leading the praise and worship, sharing the gospel to others, or praying for someone, and even this is starting a YouTube channel for His glory. And I gave a lot of excuses to God, saying that, Lord, I cannot do it. Lord, I am not matured enough to do it. Lord, I don't have this and that to do this thing. And why am I giving all those excuses? It's simply because I am depending on my own and not on God. But there's this quote that says, if you want to do something, you will find many ways. But if you don't, you will find many excuses. And that is definitely very true. Because a person who is dedicated and willing to do something, he will do everything that he can to find a way to actually successfully do it. And as a Christian, the first thing that we must do is to actually run to God. Because if we are going to look and focus on our own selves first, then we will definitely find all the reasons why we should not do what the Lord told us to do. Why? Because in our own, we are not perfect. We are weak. We are limited. But if we are going to focus on Christ, then just as Philippians 4:13 says, we can also say confidently that we can do all things through Christ who strengtheneth us. So we will become bold and confident like a lion if we are going to depend on Christ. I've let my shyness, which is definitely a pride, not just to hinder me from growing and learning from God, but also limit God from using me greatly and mightily for His glory. So to all my brothers and sisters out there who are still refusing to do the will of God for their lives, because you are shy, because you think that you cannot do it, the first thing that you must do is to actually start depending on God, the one who gives us confidence and boldness to do the impossible things that we think we cannot do. God bless.